In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in OneNote to turn messy notes into clear action. If your notebook is full of scattered thoughts, half-finished ideas, and meeting notes that are hard to scan, Copilot can help you turn all of that into structured, useful information. It works right inside OneNote and responds to plain English prompts, so you don't need to learn any special commands. To get started, open OneNote and look for the Copilot icon. You'll find it on the ribbon at the top or directly on the page canvas. Click it to open the Copilot pane on the side. That pane is where you'll type your prompt and see the results appear in context. Now, talk to Copilot just like you would to a helpful assistant. If you want a quick overview of a long page, type something like, "Summarize this page." Copilot will scan the content and generate a concise summary right in your notebook. If your notes include action points and decisions, you can say, "Create action items from these notes," and it will extract tasks with clear, actionable phrasing. And if you have a mix of urgent and nice-to-have items, try "Organize this section by priority" to have Copilot arrange content so you can focus on what matters first. The key to great results is being specific. Mention where you want Copilot to look, on this page or in this section, and what you want the output to look like. For example, summarize this page into 3 short paragraphs, or create action items with deadlines and owners I can fill in later. You can also ask it to use headings, tables, or categories if that structure helps you work faster. Copilot can work with what's on your current page and can also use context from linked files. If you've added a link to a related document, you can ask it to pull the insights from that, then fold them into your notes. This is especially helpful after meetings and when you want everything in one place. When Copilot suggests changes, you stay in control. Review what it produces and either keep it or discard it. If you choose to keep it, the content is committed to your notebook, and you can edit it like any other note. If something isn't quite right, refine your prompt and try again. A small tweak, like asking for priorities first, then action items, can make a big difference. That's all you need to transform messy pages into clear, practical notes using Microsoft Copilot in OneNote. Give it a try on your next page and let Copilot do the heavy lifting while you stay focused on the work that matters.